Come test drive the 2017 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.